this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here in my favorite room to organize, the kitchen, sharing some tips to help you be more productive and efficient in your kitchen and when you're cooking. And this one is about using the microwave. I use my microwave a lot. I use it to reheat foods. I know not everybody does, but if you do, like me, you probably want to cover the food with something to keep it from splattering all over your microwave. And what I found works really well is coffee filters. Here's a bowl of food. I peel off a coffee filter from a stack, cover the food, pop it in the microwave. What I love about coffee filters is that, first of all, they're very affordable. And second of all, I keep them right here in the drawer that's close to my microwave. You can get a big stack that takes up very little space. They can sit flat, they can sit on their side, very little space, super affordable, and they do a great job of catching the splatter. So just another little tip to help you be more productive in the kitchen.